FlareCred turns resumes into verifiable on-chain credentials. In the next few minutes, we'll mint a skill NFT, have an issuer verify it, upgrade a paid subscription, and watch a recruiter hire the candidate. Everything secured by Flare's data protocols. First, Bob acts as an issuer. He connects his wallet and clicks Create DID. That calls DID registry create DID on Coston 2 and mints did:/flare:0x to his address. With a DID in place, he completes the create organization form, uploads a logo, and submits. The status shows pending approval, so we switch to the admin role. In the admin dashboard, I open the Issuers tab, see Bob's organization at the top, and press Verify. One transaction later, the row turns green, and the issuer is now active. Bob can start signing credentials. Alice, our candidate. She connects her wallet, lands on the empty dashboard, and mints her own DID exactly as Bob did. Next, she edits her profile, adds a short bio and social links, and saves. Time to add a credential. On the My Credentials page, she clicks Add Credential, chooses Category Project, and pastes the FlareCred GitHub repository URL. The form auto-detects the type GitHub repo, sets proof type JSON, and says Proof Attached. She selects Bob's organization from the Issuer dropdown and submits. The new credential appears with status Pending. Back to Bob. On the Issuer dashboard, he opens Verification Requests page. He clicks Alice's row, reviews the GitHub proof, and presses Sign Open Source Contribution. The transaction happens in the backend. It calls credential NFT.mint credential, anchoring the VC hash on chain. The request instantly moves to verified. Switching to Alice again, a quick refresh shows the GitHub credential marked verified. She drags it to the top of her highlights board and saves. Now Alice takes a skill quiz. She opens Skill Check, picks JavaScript fundamentals, answers the questions, scores 100, and clicks Submit. The backend hashes the result, pulls a random seed from Flare RNG, and again calls credential NFT.mint credential. MetaMask confirms. Her dashboard now shows a green skill pass tile with score 100 and a link to the FlareScan transaction. Alice now upgrades her team's subscription. She opens the pricing page, clicks Get Started, Base Plan, and sees the amount in FLR plus an approximate USD figure pulled from ftsohelper.flr USD price way. She confirms the pay subscription transaction. A toast says subscription activated, and in team settings, the plan status reads Base renews in 30 days. The button would have been disabled if the Oracle price were stale. Finally, Carol the recruiter connects. In talent search, she sets min skill to 80 and toggles verified only. Alice is the only matching candidate. Carol opens Why Hire to read the AI summary, then adds Alice to the full stack engineer pipeline and drags her card from source to interview on the Kanban board. For one last admin proof point, I edit plan pricing. Logged in as admin, I open subscription plans, change the plus tier price to 100 FLR, and submit. The form calls subscription manager.set plan price. MetaMask confirms. The public pricing page reflects 100 FLR and the dollar equivalent within seconds. These are only the core Flare integrated features of FlareCred. There are many more I could not cover here, so feel free to explore them at flarecred.com. The live site still runs on free shared hosting and a shared database, so it may load slowly for now, but we will move to production-grade infrastructure soon.